In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create advanced hover effects using Webflow interactions. This tutorial is designed to help you enhance your website's user experience by adding dynamic, engaging hover effects to your Webflow projects. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to Webflow, the versatile visual website builder that allows you to design custom websites without any coding knowledge. If you haven't already, make sure you are logged into your Webflow account. Simply head over to the home page and click on the Login button located at the top right corner. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Webflow dashboard. In your dashboard, you'll see a list of all your projects. Choose the project that you want to work on today. This will typically be the one where you'd like to apply the hover effects. Once you've selected your project, it will open up in the Webflow Designer mode. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's get started by selecting the element you want to add the hover effect to. This could be anything from text and images to buttons and cards. Essentially, any component that could benefit from a touch of interactivity. Once you've identified and selected the element, you'll notice on the right-hand side of your interface, there is an Interactions panel. This is where you'll configure your hover effects. Within the Interactions panel, look for the Element Trigger option. Clicking on this will present you with various options. For this particular tutorial, we'll focus on the hover option, because we want the effect to occur whenever someone hovers over the element in question. Select Hover as your trigger, and you'll be able to specify what actions you want to occur on hover. This could be anything from changing the element color or size to more complex animations like moving or rotating. At this point, you can unleash your creativity. Try experimenting with different styles of animations. For instance, you might want to create a smooth transition where the element grows slightly larger. Or you might want it to change color. Webflow gives you a lot of flexibility to tailor these effects according to your design needs. Once you've set your desired animations, make sure to test the effect by viewing your project in preview mode. This will simulate hovering over the element and ensure your effects are both functional and visually appealing. And there you have it. You've successfully created advanced hover effects in Webflow without writing a single line of code. With a little experimentation and creativity, you can make your website more interactive and engaging for visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something valuable in this Webflow Advanced Hover Effects tutorial.